Okay, previous video were we saw that how the BitLocker encryption works. So in the client PC, if I open that PC back again, so you can see that it's like a padlock sign. So just says manage BitLocker. So already in BitLocker encryption. So see that. So you got some options here, right? Suspend protection, backup your recovery key, turn off BitLocker. So this is like a bug force in a compliance policy. We did the compliance option, right? Okay. So this one is a recovery key. You need to make sure you have to keep it in a safe place, right? Otherwise, you probably can't lose it. If you can't lose it, you won't be able to access your files in the future. Anything happens. So that is what it is, the key, right? So it's generated automatically. See that? Just generating it. I'll show you what it is, looks like. So it's just like a key. So we need to use this one for the encryption, right? So should change my PC to PC. So this PC, this is the recovery key. Okay. So all right, let's go back into all right. So we are in this machine now, right? And let me go to device compliance, right? Okay, so let's see. Okay, so you got two policies here, and one is the default device compliance policy. Let's open and have a look what it is. Doesn't have something. So its default policy is checking has a compliance policy assigned. Yes, because we have created already a policy. So this one is compliant, is active. Yes, enroll user exists. Yes, all right. So let's go and have a look. This is the important one, the one we created. Let's have a look how it's applied, right? So it's still, I think it's still applying because I just had to switch off computer for going somewhere. So I wasn't at the home, so it's still in state. So let's say refresh might update later. So see that each one. So firewall compliant, right? BitLocker it says not applicable. Then BitLocker we have already a process. It might take a little while to update that one, right? Let me go back into this one and because I'm not running these machines all the time. And lab is not running my computer switch off, so it's not like a normal workplace. So workplace machines are running all the time, so they can sync anytime, right? But here it doesn't run all the time. So go Windows, right? So sometimes it take 1 or 2 days until they get enough time to be in a live machine. So go sync, right? So let's go back into a device compliance application. Go to us second policy, right? So which component? So trusted platform mobile TPM is compliant. It says encryption of data storage on device. Remediation failed. If something happened because I might have switched off the computer. Secure boot not applicable, bar secure boot is enabled. It's maybe because of this virtual machine, VMware, real-time protection. So depender, that's compliant. So this compliance minimum OS version, maximum OS version is between minimum and maximum. So Microsoft Defender antivirus malware compliant. Again, it says BitLocker, not sure what it is. Firewall is compliant. So it shows you all sort of things, but it's still in here says it's a compliant, right? Let's have a look going into this machine quickly. So should have Windows Firewall active. Um, security, Windows security. So virus protection is on, right? Firewall and network protection. So firewall protection is on. BitLocker gives you one of the error, but I think BitLocker encryption is active here, right? And one more thing I want to show you when you are setting up this machine. Just going to shut down this machine now. And if you're using a VM virtual machine, so I'll show you how do you enable this TPM and secure boot here. So see that Windows 10 machine. Now go to edit virtual machine settings. So here, right, uh, you need to go to options, right? Under options, under access control, you need to enable this encryption. Once it's enabled, it will ask you a password. So you have to put a password, enable it, right? Once you enable, then you can add the TPM module. But let me show you secure boot somewhere here. Where the secure boot enables boot access control option rule. The probably not. All right, see here. So if you're testing compliance and secure boot, so UEFI, right? And then enable secure boot here. And then you go hardware, right? And it was see TPM. So you need to add from here to the add trusted platform mobile, but it's not available until you enable the access control encryption here. So that's how we're going to enable that one, right? So that is how setting up a compliance policy. So once you set up the compliance policy will apply to whatever the group of devices. So whatever the group. So I think so let's have a look back again. So it may be because of applicable, let's say, see that compliant now encryption. So it just need to take a time to come in. Secure boot not applicable. I don't know because maybe because of its virtual machine. BitLocker, I say it's not applicable, but it's already coming up. Right. Okay. So we did compliance policy. Let's next video we're going to do a configuration policy. We're going to configure just like a group policy. We applying similar sort of things in Active Directory, domain controller in on premises. All right, so I think this is for today video. We'll see you from next video. Thank you.